What's up, traders? Welcome back to Kingmaker Trading. I'm Sankar. Today, I'm going to show you my market prediction of top Forex pairs this week. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel for more future content like this and like and share this video for me, and let's get started. First, let's take a look at Euro Dollar chart this week, and as you can see, Euro Dollar has been in an uptrend for a long time, and at this point we broke and closed below. After breaking and closed below this period of consolidation, we have been trending to the downside since April 2018, and we have been going down in this euro dollar market for an entire year. And as you can see, we had a little period of consolidation at this point, and we broke and closed below that structure level at this point too. And if I zoom in this euro dollar chart, you can see that there is a nice ABCD pattern completed at this point, which gives us an expectation that this market would most probably go up to this level as a result of forming this ABCD pattern. And if this pair makes this movement, it will allow us to enter this market with another advanced pattern called cipher pattern. I will tell you guys about that later. And this market could absolutely go straightly to this level, but most probably we can expect a pullback down to this level, and then break and close of this level, and again a pullback and reaching this level. This is the most probable way of this market continuing to the upside until this point. And if I drop down the time frame to 4 hour, 4 hour time frame, you can see that we have a nice godly 222 pattern completed at this point. Yes, so that makes my prediction more accurate. So as a result of forming this pattern, market would go a little bit to the downside and fill in targets of this pattern, and then continue to the upside to fill the targets of the larger pattern. That is the most probable way of happening the movement in this market. That is what I am expecting out of this market. And let's move on to our next pair, which is pound dollar. Okay, all right, traders, as you can see here, let's move on to the daily chart first. We are in a powerful structure level. If I place a horizontal line at this point, you can see for yourself that this market has respected this trend line, this horizontal line, this particular structure level throughout the past. As you can see, we had a reaction at this point and this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and as you can see, this trend line has been respected multiple times throughout the past, which makes it a very powerful level of structure. So it's high probable that this market could go to upside as a result of reaching this particular structure level. If I drop down a time frame at this point, what I can see is a nice flag pattern completion at this point. As you can see, let me point that out for you. And as you can see, here we have a nice flag pattern at this point. I don't know which direction this pattern would break out, but I most probably uh, it will go to the upside until this particular structure level. It's absolutely possible that this market could reverse at this point or this point. As you can see, there is structure at that level of that levels, but since we are in a very significant level of structure, I think we can see a significant movement in this pair. Alright, that's what I'm expecting out of pound dollar this week. Let's move on to our next pair, which is Aussie dollar. Alright, traders, let me delete these drawing tools and let me go to the daily time frame. As you can see, we are in this point, which is 0.69636. If you go back in time and see, this structure level is a very significant level in Aussie dollar pair. This level has been respected multiple times throughout the past. We have seen significant movements when the market arrived this structure level. Okay, and as you can see, we have this three-part movement in the market, which creates a nice three, which is a very powerful buy indication. So what I'm expecting out of this pair is a bounce to this point, or if we're lucky and this pattern works well, mostly about to this point. It's very nice movement, about, let me see, 166 pip movement, which is very good. If I drop down a time frame, as you can see, we respected this structure level 2 times during past few days, and as you can see, we have came back into that particular structure level. So it's probable that we would again see a reaction and rally to the upside at this point. Okay, that's what I'm expecting out of Aussie dollar. And our final pair is New Zealand dollar. Alright, traders, let me go into the daily time frame here. Okay, what do we have here? We are currently in a downtrend. Clearly, we are in a downtrend in New Zealand dollar. It's a bit unclear, but no. We are currently in downtrend in New Zealand dollar. So, at this point, what could we expect? Let's drop down a time frame and see to get a clear view out of this market. Yes, this particular structure level, as you can see, has been respected multiple times in the past. You can see most recently this structure level has been respected multiple times, so which makes this structure level a powerful one, because the last broken structure is the most powerful level of structure. Okay, hope that makes sense. And what I'm expecting out of this pair is bounce to this point, or most probably to this point. As we can see, we had a price gap at this point. If we move up back to that price gap, this price gap could deliver a act as a nice, very powerful level of structure. So most probably this market could go up until this price gap. Alright traders, that is what I'm expecting out of major forex pairs this week. And if you liked this video, like it and share it, and let me know in the comment section what you think about my videos, and subscribe to this channel. Let's meet in the next video. Happy trading, guys.